Hello, during the course of this training video, we will be taking a look at the different features of the shipment profile. First, let's go ahead and open up an existing shipment, and I'll go through the different features located mainly at the top of the shipment profile page. So we're going to start over here to the left. The very left is the first icon called the activity log. Now, the activity log is going to display a complete audit trail of everything that has happened with the shipment. So if I select activity log, you can see that the shipment was duplicated from another shipment. You can see where commissions were added, reference numbers were changed, and so on. It also stamps the activity log note with your username, so you can always know who changed something in a shipment. Now you can also make your notes in the shipment manually by clicking on Add Activity. For example, let's say you spoke to the carrier on this particular shipment and you've learned that the shipment has been delayed. Go ahead and type that in the description, and you can label this an operations note. Shipment delayed. You can set the privacy to private, public, or admin. Private or admin means that only users in your organization can see this note. If you make the note public, that also means that customers or shippers using your customer portal will see the note. Now, public does come in handy for notes like this where the shipment's delayed. That is usually a bit of information that you want to communicate to your customer. However, if the information you're typing in pertains to shipment cost, carrier information, anything you wouldn't want your shipper to see, then I always recommend making the note private. So on this example, we'll make it public. I'm going to go ahead and select Save Activity. Now this has been updated. Now you'll notice that the color of this activity log is orange. That indicates that there has been new activity in the last 48 hours. Okay. Next to activity log, we have the Shipment Favorites button. There's a separate training video on shipment favorites. Please view that video to learn all about shipment favorites. Next, we have the Update Status button. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Update Status is where you're going to come to update the shipment status of the order, as well as add pro numbers, activity log notes, and use other functions. This will also be where you utilize any mobile tracking integrations that you have in the system, such as Time Mobile or MacroPoint. And again, there's a separate video going over update shipment status in more detail. Next to update status, we have location history. Location history will give you this Google map of where the freight is picking up from and where it's going to. As the automation updates the order location, or as you update the order location, blue pins will drop across the map, letting you know where the freight is. You'll also notice once again our integrations with Time Mobile and with MacroPoint. And again, please view the other videos for more information on those integrations. Next to location history, we have the accounting drop-down. Now we have a full suite of accounting videos talking about accounting, but just to give you a little preview here, in the shipment itself, you are able to create invoices and approve payables, and that's right here under the accounting menu. You'll see the payable options appear once the shipment's delivered. Next to accounting, we have shipment tools. Now for shipment tools, I'm just going to kind of highlight the most useful ones, or actually I'll start with commissions here. So I click on commissions. This will give you information about the commissioned sales reps on this load. You can modify or delete commissions from here and change them as necessary. Also under shipment tools, we have the duplicate option. Duplicate will allow you to duplicate all of the order details into a brand new load. So let's say you did this order a month ago and now you're doing the exact same shipment once again, same origin and destination information, same commodity information and all that. Instead of re-entering all that data, just come into an old shipment, select duplicate, and that'll duplicate the order details into a brand new order, which you can then dispatch. The only thing you would need to do is re-enter the pricing information or regenerate the rates. Also under shipment tools, we have the shipment automation log, which will give you some API and EDI data. Truckload volume quoting, there is a separate video for that, but that's where you will access the truckload volume quoting functions. And then finally edit pricing, where you can modify pricing. Next to shipment tools, we have shipment documents. Shipment documents is where you will come to access your system generated documents. You have the bill of lading, for example, carrier information, pickup alert, delivery alert, and so on. To send a document, click on Send Documents, and that'll open up the Send Documents modal. Go ahead and enter in the email address, whoever you want to send this particular email to. Select the documents or documents, and then you can even enter a message. and then click send, and that'll send from the system with your attached documents. You can also upload documents by going to Shipment Documents and selecting Attach Documents. This will allow you to upload and attach documents from your computer, and they'll be available in the Shipment profile as well as available for you to email from the Shipment. Okay? So that's just a brief overview of what's in the Shipment profile as far as these options go. Please view our other training videos for more detailed explanation of each section. Thank you.